Children, I am showing you two activities for the gravitational force. You know that gravitational force always act against the motion of an object. I explained you already. See here, I am throwing the ball upward. When the ball, I am applying the force, it is moving upward. But when it, after some time, what happens? The ball comes down. Just observe, I am throwing the ball moves up. As it goes upper and upper, its speed decreases, and finally when it is at the top, its speed becomes 0, and then gravity starts applying the force. Gravity means earth, and then the ball comes down. Okay? Any object thrown upward comes down only because of the gravitational force. Second activity. See here, I have taken a bucket which is filled with water. Are you able to see the bucket filled with water? So, when I put the stone, see here how that gravitational force is dependent on the height. When I am putting the stone just from nearer, see here. When I am putting the stone from nearer, you will observe that what happens. Just you observe what happens. But the same stone I am putting from more height. Just observe what happens in the bucket. Children, you had observed that when I put the stone in water from a height, at that time more water spilled up because gravity has to apply more force therein. Okay? In the beginning, the gravity has applied the less force because the height of the stone from the bucket was less. So it means gravitational force is dependent on the height at which the object is placed. Okay?